Guys, we're only a few months away from the end of 2026, and you probably already know that YouTube has made changes to its monetization policy. Previously, you could qualify for monetization after reaching 4,000 hours of watch time, but now you need 8,000 hours of watch time. And where you previously needed 10 million Shorts views to qualify for monetization, you now need 20 million Shorts views. But don't worry, because I've found a niche where creators are getting a good number of subscribers and making serious money with less effort and fewer videos. Take this channel, Jack Explain Money, for example. It has gained more than 70,000 subscribers with just 20 videos. And when it comes to earnings, it's estimated to be making around $2,000 to $3,000 per month and has earned somewhere between $10,000 and $20,000 in total so far. That's because the RPM in this niche can be around $8 to $30. And this isn't the only channel doing it. There are several other channels using the same strategy to gain subscribers and generate solid earnings with relatively little effort. These channels create simple 2D finance videos without using any heavy software. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you today, using completely free AI tools without purchasing a single paid tool. And honestly, I think this could be a golden opportunity for you. If you don't start now, you might miss this opportunity later. So first, take a look at a demo video that I created. And today, we're going to learn exactly how to create a video like this.
You open your banking app to check your balance, and it looks fine. Nothing crazy happened this month. No big purchases, no vacation, no shopping spree. And yet somehow, your savings barely moved. Again, you scroll through your transactions, looking for the culprit, but nothing jumps out. No single charge that explains it. And that's exactly the problem, because the thing draining your savings...
First, open my master prompt, and you won't find this anywhere else. Once you subscribe and comment master prompt, I'll send it to you. Now, copy it from top to bottom like this. Then open Claude AI. As you can see, I'm using the free plan here. Now, paste the master prompt here and press enter. Claude will then say, please provide the YouTube channel link. So I opened the Jack Explain Money channel, copied the channel link, and pasted it into Claude. I also uploaded a screenshot of the Jack Explain Money channel. Then I pressed enter. Now Claude will say, provide 2 to 3 full video transcripts from this channel. So I opened the Jack Explain Money channel, went to one of its popular videos and opened it. Then I went to the video description and clicked Show Transcript. As you can see on the right side, the transcript is now showing. So I copied it and pasted it into Claude. Next, we came back to Claude and selected another popular video from Jack Explain Money. First, we clicked the 3 dots, then clicked Share and copied the video link. After that, we went to Google and searched for YouTube to transcript. Then we opened this website, pasted the video link, and clicked Get Free Transcript. As you can see below, the transcript for that video has appeared. So this was the second method. We copied the transcript and pasted it into Claude. We did the same thing for the 3rd, 4th, and 5th transcripts. So in total, we provided 5 scripts to Claude so it could analyze the channel more thoroughly and understand its style better. After that, I clicked enter. And then Claude gave us the style DNA of the Jack Explain Money channel, breaking down everything from the niche and target audience to the hook style, script flow, sentence rhythm, tone, and much more, as you can see right here on the screen. Now Claude is asking, do you want me to generate video ideas, or do you already have a topic? If you already have a topic, you can tell Claude what you want the video to be about. Once you provide the topic, Claude will start writing the script based on it. If you don't have a topic, you can go to the Jack Explain Money channel and pick a topic from one of its videos. Or you can simply ask Claude to generate viral topics for you. For that, type this into Claude. Please generate 10 highly viral video ideas based on the channel's analyzed style and the transcripts I provided. Focus on topics with strong curiosity, emotional hooks, high retention potential, and real-world personal finance problems. Make the ideas original, clickable, and similar in content strategy, not copied. Then press enter. Claude will give you 10 viral topics and ask, do you already have a topic in mind, or should I develop one of these 10 further? So if you already have a topic, you can still provide it here. Otherwise, choose one of these 10 topics and enter it into Claude. I like number 3, so we copied number 3, pasted it into Claude, and pressed enter. After that, Claude asks us for the video duration. Videos like this are usually at least 10 minutes long, but to keep things simple for this tutorial, I'm going with 5 minutes for now. So we typed 5 minutes and pressed enter. Now Claude AI will generate a complete 5-minute script for you. And there's our script, just like you can see on the screen. Now Claude is saying, announcing next step. Send screenshots of the competitor's visual style if available for scene-by-scene visual generation, or reply none to proceed with original visual direction. Basically, Claude is asking you to provide screenshots from that channel so it can analyze the visual DNA and style and create visuals in a similar style. If you don't provide screenshots from the channel's videos, Claude may create the visuals in a completely different style based on its own interpretation. So it's better to upload the screenshots. To do this, open the Jack Explain Money channel, open some of its videos, and take screenshots. Try to include a mix of visuals, some screenshots with characters and some with normal images. Then come back to Claude and upload all of those screenshots. As you can see, I've also taken all these screenshots here. After that, press enter. Claude will then analyze all the screenshots and break down the visual style, giving you all the important details. It will also create a master character prompt, and here the character's name is Jack. You can change Jack's name here. The name Jack is also used throughout the script, so when you create your video, make sure to change the character's name to whatever you want. Here, you'll get Jack's character prompt, followed by the scene-by-scene breakdown and visual prompts. As you can see, it starts with scene 1. Under that, you'll find the voiceover, followed by a description explaining what that voiceover means or what should be shown in the scene. Then it tells you whether a character is present in the scene. If there is a character, it also specifies the character's name. After that, you get the image prompt, followed by the video animation prompt. The same structure is used for scene 2 and all the remaining scenes. And right now, there are a total of 22 scenes, as you can see on the screen. This is where we made a big mistake, one that you could easily make too. The problem was that when I generated the visuals, everything looked fine and the video was created. But each video clip had a maximum length of just 10 seconds. Meanwhile, the voiceover for a single scene was around 15 to 20 seconds long. So they didn't match properly. The voiceover was simply too long for such a short scene. That's why we're going to tell Claude to keep the voiceover for each scene between 6 and 10 seconds. So we'll tell Claude this. For every scene, keep the voiceover short enough to fit within a single 6 to 8 second video clip, with 10 seconds as the absolute maximum. Do not make any scene's voiceover longer than what can naturally be spoken within 10 seconds. If a sentence or idea is too long, split it into multiple consecutive scenes while keeping the narration natural and continuous. Each scene must contain only the amount of voiceover that can realistically fit within its corresponding 6 to 10 second visual clip. Then press enter. Claude will generate new image prompts, with the voiceover reduced to a short single line. You'll also get the image prompt and video animation prompt. As you can see, this time, Claude generated roughly 2 to 3 times more scenes than before. We now have a total of 77 scenes. Now, don't worry about how we're going to generate videos for all these scenes, or how many credits that would take. We're not going to do that. Just keep watching. We'll generate video only for the first 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we'll use images and add video clips here and there throughout the rest of the video, exactly like Jack does in his videos. This way, we'll save a lot of credits while still making the video look really good. Now we're going to generate the character using the master prompt and character prompt that Claude gave us. For this, open Google Flow in your browser and click New Project. Then go back to Claude and copy the master prompt for the Jack character. Now come back to Google Flow and paste the prompt here. Next, select Nano Banana 2 and set the quantity to 4. Then simply press enter. And now, as you can see, our character is ready. We'll use this character as a reference throughout all of our scenes. Now we're going to generate the scenes. First, go to Claude and copy the image prompt for scene 1. Then open Google Flow and start a new project. Upload the Jack character we generated earlier. Once it's uploaded, add it to the project. Then paste the image prompt. Next, click Settings, select Nano Banana 2, and set the quantity to 1. Then press Enter. As you can see, our image is ready. Now we're going to turn this image into a video. So go back to Claude and copy the video animation prompt. Then return to Google Flow and upload the image we just generated. Paste the video prompt, click Settings, and switch from image to video. Then select OmniFlash as the model. Before selecting the duration, read through the voiceover once and estimate how many seconds it will take to speak so you don't waste your credits. I think 8 seconds works well here, but in most cases, try to use 10 seconds. For this one, I'm selecting 8 seconds and pressing Enter. After a few seconds, our video is ready. As you can see, the video has been generated. You can download it as well. Now let's generate the second scene. Pay close attention here. We'll go back to Claude and copy the image prompt for scene 2. Then in Google Flow, upload Jack as the character reference, paste the prompt, and press Enter. But this time, the generated image didn't have a consistent background. So we uploaded the scene 1 image as a reference and pasted the same prompt again. Then we pressed Enter. Now, as you can see, our scene 2 image is much more consistent, and the background also matches the previous scene. So don't be afraid to use your own judgment when needed. Next, we'll go back to Claude and copy the video animation prompt. Then add the scene 2 image as a reference and paste the video prompt. Go to Settings and switch to image to video. We'll keep the duration at 8 seconds and press Enter. And now, as you can see, this video has been generated too. Let me play it for you. As you can see, the video looks good. Using the same process, we've generated a few video clips, around 1 minute of video so far. That's because the first minute is very important. It works as the intro and helps grab the viewer's attention and keep them watching. After that, we'll mostly use images, just images. Of course, we can still add video clips here and there to make the video more engaging. Now, let's go back to Claude. This time, we copied the image prompt for scene 6. We copied the complete scene section, including the scene number, so it's easy to keep track of which scene we're working on. Then we copied the image prompt. Next, we went to Google Flow. This time, we uploaded the character directly as the character reference, pasted the prompt, and pressed Enter. We repeated the same process to generate all the remaining images. As you can see, we used the exact same method throughout the process. You can do the same thing to generate all your images and add video clips wherever you think they'll make the video better. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Now we're going to generate the voiceover. First, go to Claude and copy the voiceover script, the same script we created at the beginning. Copy it like this. Then open the ElevenLabs website in your browser. Next, click on Text-to-Speech and paste your script here. Then click on Voice. Here, you can explore a wide range of voices and choose whichever one you like. For this video, I'm using this voice, as you can see on the screen. Next, click on Model and select 11v3. Then click Generate. Once it's ready, you can listen to the voiceover and download it if you like it.
You open your banking app to check your balance, and it looks fine. Nothing crazy happened this month. No big purchases, no vacation, no shopping spree.
Now I'm going to edit the video. At this point, everything is ready. You can use whatever editing software you prefer. I'm using CapCut here. First, open CapCut. Then click Import and import all your files, your audio, videos, and images. After that, go to Filter and select Time Created. Then drag all the files onto the timeline. Now zoom in a little on the right side so everything is easier to see, like this. Next, we need to properly sync the clips with the voiceover. So we'll go to Claude and check the voiceover for scene 1. All we need to do is check where the voiceover for scene 1 ends. For example, if the voiceover ends with "looks fine," we'll come back to CapCut and play the video.
You open your banking app to check your balance, and it looks fine.
Wherever the voiceover says looks fine, that's where our first clip should end. So we'll adjust the clip accordingly. If a clip is too short, we can increase its duration. And if a clip is too long, we can reduce its duration. Then we'll go back to Claude and check where the voiceover for scene 2 ends. After that, we'll return to CapCut and adjust the second scene's clip according to the voiceover.
Nothing crazy happened this month. No big purchases, no vacation, no shopping spree.
We'll select the second scene and slightly increase or decrease its duration so that it matches the voiceover perfectly. We'll follow the same process for scene 3 and all the remaining scenes. As you can see, I'm checking each scene's voiceover in Claude to see exactly where it ends, and then adjusting the corresponding clip in CapCut to match it properly. Now that all the clips are properly adjusted, I'm going to the effects section. Here, I'm applying this effect and lowering its intensity a little. Then, I'll drag the effect across all the clips to apply it everywhere. After that, I'll lower the intensity a little more. Next, click on Captions. Then, select this caption template and click Generate Captions. Once you select the template, the captions will be generated automatically. Now, let's play the video and see how everything looks. If everything looks good, you can put in some extra effort and add more editing to make the video even better. Once everything is finished, I'll export the video. And that's it. My editing is now complete. Now you can upload this video to YouTube. For the title, description, tags, and everything else, you can ask Claude to generate them for you. And for the thumbnail, you can study how your competitor designs theirs and create something with a similar strategy and style. Now, if you want me to do this entire process myself and show you exactly how it's done, just comment Part 2. And I've added the link to the final video in the description. And I have one small request. My channel is still completely new, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel to support your little brother. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Thank you.